Hey folks, in this video we are going to create a very simple video from a single PNG file and a random audio file that I'm getting from the audio library on YouTube. And we're gonna use the command line tool ffmpeg, which is a video audio processing tool that's available to most Linux systems, and it's open source and it's a great tool. So let's get started. First, I'm going to go to the YouTube audio library. I'm just going to pick a song. This is 2 minutes and 9 seconds. Let me see how it sounds like. Okay, cool. So that's going to be the mp3 file. And then I'm going to download this PNG file as well to the download folder. Now that they're both in the same folder, let's just go to downloads. And let's make a directory called, I don't know, ffmpeg library or video. And then we're going to move the PNG file and we're going to call it, let's say, black.png. And then we're going to move the song over to the video folder as well. So let's just call it audio.mp3. Okay, so now if we go into this folder, this is all the files that we're working with. We're working with the mp3 file and the PNG file. So we're going to make a video where there's just going to be the one image show the whole time. And yeah, the one image show the whole time. And then we want this audio to be playing throughout, and we want the length of this video to be the length of the audio. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ffmpeg dash loop one dash I, the name of the file, and then we're gonna do let's see, audio.mp3. Good. And then we're just gonna do this command, copy vlibx264 shortest, which tells you, hey, whichever one is the shortest is the one that I'm going to use. And then we're going to do output.mp4. So we're just going to run this command. Looks like black.mpg is not a valid file. Let's just double check. Nope, it's blank. So yeah, okay. Let's just change it to blank. Okay. So we're going to run that command. Again, this command is going to be in the description below. And now if you open, so now if we do ls, which lists all the files in the directory, there's output.mp4. Let's open it. Okay, looks like it can't be opened. Maybe let's open it with VLC. So let's open open with VLC player. Okay, cool. So now we have a single image, which is this. And yeah, it's the length of the video, or it's the length of the audio, which is 209. And as you can see, it's 209. Cool. So that's basically how we can use a simple command line tool, ffmpeg, and an audio file and a picture, and just basically make a video in less than 10 seconds. So hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.